Hi class, so here's the assignment for Reading Circles Part 1 and Part 2, which is due this week. And this is for the reading on pages 1 through 32 of the novel. So you're going to click on Part 1. It's going to take you to the assignment in Google. You need to log into your IVC email using your IVC credentials to be able to access it. So let's take a look. Okay. So there are many steps to this assignment, okay? You will just follow the directions, follow what's on there. If you have any questions, send me an email, send me a message in Canvas. So you will write 5 critical thinking questions and the answers to those questions about the assigned reading. Your task is to help your classmates think about the big ideas in each section and share their reactions. Each answer should be a short paragraph or so, okay? It's a writing class, so you're gonna write. And this is gonna help you prepare for the essays that you're gonna be writing on this novel. So make sure to write your questions and answers in the space provided. Question 1, response, question 2, response, and so on. Do not simply copy the questions from the internet, okay? Your professor will know when you're copying something from the internet, and that's plagiarism. You don't want to do that, okay? Create your own questions, write your own questions. You will submit this document when completed. So remember, like here on the right side, there's going to be a button that says submit for you. If you click here, it's going to take you to an assignment from another student who did this in a different semester. So you can see there is a question, there is an answer in a paragraph form, another question, another answer, and so on, okay? So you write those 5 questions, those 5 answers. Now you're going to go to step number 2. For step number 2, you need to go to Jamboard. You're going to click on that. When you get to Jamboard, just follow the instructions that are on here, okay? Step 1, find the board or slide with your name. Yeah. And then step 2, so there will be names here for each student, okay? Step 2, add sticky notes to your frame or to your board. Board. And paste each question onto one sticky note. Step 3, read your classmates' sticky notes and answer at least 3 of their questions with a sticky note, okay? So let's take a look. Let's say this is the slide with my name. So I am going to go here on the left-hand corner. I'm going to click on it to add a sticky note. I can choose the color that I want. So now I'm going to write my name. Just open Zillow. Okay. So right here, I'm claiming my slide. There's my name. You can put it wherever you want. Now, I am going to take the question, only the question that I wrote, and I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it onto a sticky note. Do not paste your answer, okay? So now you have your question, and then the goal is for your classmates to read your question, and then your classmates are going to add their own sticky note with their answer to your question, okay? So I'm going to do that for my questions. How many questions did I say? Each question, okay? So I'm going to add all 5 questions that I wrote onto those sticky notes. Okay, question number 2. I like different colors, so I'm gonna go with this color now, and so on and so forth. Okay, so after you paste all of your questions onto the board with your name, you're gonna go through the other boards from your classmates. You're gonna read their sticky notes with their questions, and you're gonna answer their questions. Okay, so let's say this is the Jamboard from John, my classmate, right? So I'm reading his sticky note. Now I'm going to add a sticky note with my answer. Answer from Giselle Panzillo. So make sure you write your name on the sticky note and that you're answering, right, the question. And then now I'm going to type up my answer. Save it. And there it is. So now my sticky note is right here with my answer. So make sure to label it and to show that this is your answer. Okay? So now I'm going to go back to that assignment in Canvas. So that's step 2. Follow those instructions. Step 3, read your classmates' questions on Jamboard, right? And then use the sticky notes. We just went over that. And then here it says for you to take screenshots and put your responses here. So you're going to take screenshots of the sticky notes with your responses on the Jamboard. Like this one, for example, I'm going to take a screenshot of my answer, and then I'm going to go here on my document. And then I am going to paste my new sticky note. Well, the screenshot from my sticky note. All right, good luck. Do well. And if you have any questions, send me a message in Canvas. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.